Yo, come down to Boost Mobile, 2313 44th Street. Come check me out. I got some good deals for you.
Real good deals, man.
Free phones, iPhone specials, iPhone repairs, and various things. Tablets, computers, anything. Come see me. Phone number 616-805-3105. Get with me.
You dig? Boost Mobile, Watchdog, phone repair. If you broke your phone, I know it's a lot of people break their phone. I break mine all the time. You got cases, you got everything you need. You know what I'm saying? Right here. 44th and Breton, Boost Mobile, Watchdog, phone repair. Come through. You dig? It's going down. Let's go pick you something out. Get you that flip phone. You know what I'm saying? Throw it back on them. Got all the Androids. Woo. That look like a TV screen.
That's the one that's free. Hold on, this one?
That's free?
Yeah. This Stylo 4 right here is free with a port in from another company. All you gotta do is pay $72 and I get you out the door with a new phone.
Man, look
Stylo
at
4. 6.2-inch screen.
Yep. Huge.
Check it out.
All right. Pull up. If you're in Grand Rapids, Michigan, pull up. It's going down. 4 iPhone 6s for $100. Woo. And the infamous Big Nap Candy Bowl. These is free. You did.
But if you get greedy, it's gonna be $25 a handful.
Right. Peasy in the building. Yeah, so share this video. Support these businesses in Grand Rapids. Boost Mobile, Watchdog, phone repair, Breton and 44th. It's my brother, man. You did? Share this video.